public service announcement from Jerry the Cat.
Good evening, annoying humans. Jerry here. I was just reading the newspaper and I come upon this article that says in Maryland the police department is having to remind people to wear pants when they go out to get their mail. On behalf of all small animals, may I just remind you humans that we have a unique view, so to speak, of you. We try to look up to you, but we see you when you're wearing your bathrobes. It's not pretty. Please, for God's sakes, wear pants when you go outside to get the mail. Thank you.